Honey. Honey. What? Did you hear that? What was it? It went, yeah, I think I did hear something. Let's go investigate. Oh, wait, it's a cat. Look, dinner. Dinner. We are not going to eat it. We have to take care of it. It's beautiful, baby. It's very beautiful. Guys, look what we found. Cute. Yeah. Its eyes are almost as beautiful as yours. Hey, quit flirting with my girl. Sorry. Mommy, what'd you find? Oh, I found a cat. Let's eat it. No, we're not eating it. Aurora, look what we found. What is it? You are one prissy little girl. I know I am. What is it? It's a cat. Meow. She can be a part of the dog pack. With a wolf. Yeah. And a cat now, I guess. We shall call her Scratch. Why Scratch? Because Scratch is cute. Plus she just scratched my face. Ooh, that looks like it hurts. Yeah, really? Yeah, it does. She can be a part of the dog pack. You just said that. I know, but I wanted to make it dramatic. So, what should we do now? Got any biscuits? No, there's no biscuits anymore since we ran away from home. I want to go back home, Mommy. Why? So you can wear your Christmas hat all happily? Yeah. It's not that happy anymore. I know it isn't. But this, on the bright side, you have a new little sister. Aw, she loves her daddy. I love my daddy too. Yep. I know you do. Jock. Jock, yes? Mommy, why'd you name me Jock? Because when you grow up, you're going to be a jock in high school. Okay.